Hi there, here is Ernst. Today we are looking into how easy it is nowadays to record video tutorials for your students. Let's start with an application sharing. This video tutorial was created as part of the Blended Learning course for lecturers in Tanzania. We always use key concepts when teaching knowledge. I may have to explain such a key concept several times during a course. For example, in a course on blended learning, you may have to show several times how to create a video tutorial. Your students, however, may need this instruction weeks after the course, at the moment when they want to create such a video. You and your students will appreciate the fact that the tutorial recorded can be used anytime. Fortunately, a multimedia studio is no longer needed for the implementation. A laptop or a desktop with a webcam and microphone is all you need. As a first step, it's advisable to create a script for the tutorial. Use it to clarify what you want to cover in the video. This is the first draft of the script for the video you are looking at right now. Let's get an overview of the whole process. First, start the applications that you will use during the video. Second, start a Zoom session, possibly without inviting any people. Press the record button, present the topic and demonstrate important steps using application sharing. When finished, press the stop recording button and finish the Zoom session. The whole session will be saved as an MP4 file on your computer. This will take some time. Step 4, upload the MP4 file to YouTube and define it as public. It will take also some time. And finally, publish the URL, the link for the YouTube video by mail or WhatsApp, or embed the video on your website. As a reminder, here are the steps of the entire workflow. If you're not yet familiar with the handling of Zoom, I recommend that you watch these video tutorials first. How to share applications in Zoom, how to record the Zoom session, and how to upload MP4 file to YouTube. With video tutorials, your students can learn independently when and where they have access to the internet. At the NUST in Namibia, for instance, we converted bridging courses in mathematics for engineers into a blended learning form. Students without internet access at home were able to study in the computer lab on campus. The teachers also offered supervised lessons in which he answered questions and carried out exercises with students. A comprehensive evaluation at NUST has shown a high acceptance by the students. They particularly appreciated the following advantages. I'll let you look now over my shoulder and offer you an insight into some phases of my preparation by application sharing. This is my script of the first workflow. Then I created a PowerPoint presentation that guided me on the whole process. And finally, I started a Zoom session, which I cannot do now because I'm recording with Zoom right now. I strongly recommend that you make your own first attempts at video recording. Start with small, simple projects. You will get better and better with practice. Good luck and bye-bye.